Hello and thanks for joining me. Today I wanted to show you something that I discovered when flying my drone over the church in Wilmington. What I found was an inscription from one of the workmen who was involved in the massive comprehensive restoration between 1875 and 1876. The workman in charge of doing all the lead on the roof decided he'd done such a good job, he'd leave his name and the date right on the top of the roof. And thankfully, when the lead was stolen a few years ago, that piece wasn't taken. And I wanted to share it with you as so few people will have actually seen it. Let's take a look. The inscription is situated above the porch of the church, set back on the first layer of lead. And there it is, the name E. English, Plumber, 1876. Very proud of his work, and isn't that really a neat job of raised lead? The church in Wilmington have been experiencing some leaks currently in the roof, and that's why I was asked to go and take a look with the drone and film to see if there was anything really obvious there. Anyway, enjoy the views on this glorious summer day, and drop me a like and a comment and even a subscribe if you enjoyed this content. Bye for now.